So in today's video, we're gonna need a couple things that I forgot to get. I know it. What?
What the fuck? What is you doing?
A video.
For what?
What do you need?
You forgot?
Yes. Get off me. I can never just do a video.
Man, what had me big potato you already know what time it is. I'm up in here. You know, my hair next. My hair next. My hair ain't next. I'm out. Nice Chad. Go back to your beautiful, beautiful video, gorgeous. My gorgeous sugar lumps. Catch it. Catch it. It's going away. Oh, you caught it?
I got it.
What you gonna do with it?
Burn it on the light bulb.
It's hot.
Palace, what you cooking?
Why the only one that never lied to me was a scare? Feel like the only one that I can trust is my Glock. Ain't speaking in the streets cause in my cell ain't get no mail. Would you really talk to me if I never call? I've been going through some things, and I've been trying to explain, but it's hard to talk. I've been trying to maintain.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Nye. Welcome back to my channel, Door Nye. If you're new, thank you for clicking on this video. If you're not, thank you for returning. Okay, things you need for this video. So you'll need brushes. You'll need combs. You'll need some thick hair ties or a sock that you can just roll over. And then you need small hair ties. Some type of hair stuff that can go in your hair. Bobby pins. And a spray bottle. You don't have to have a spray bottle. You can use your hand, but it's just better if you do. I have two dolls in here with me today. So if I fall or trip or stumble, it's probably over one of their bodies. Okay. There. Can y'all move? Go. Go. Come on. Go. Alright, so I'm not going to be looking in the camera today because I'm going to be looking in the mirror for obvious reasons. So don't find it rude or nothing. Okay, so they're all the same for the beginning steps. So at first, I like to take my little brush, my little comb. Again, you can find it on my website. And then you can see a little better now because I got my good lighting. It has like sparkles in it. Really cute. And it has a matching one. Y'all. So, make sure you check out my website. Anyway, so I like to just go and basically comb out like the top of my hair, like just by my roots. And I do this because what happened is when I try to brush it, let's see if I can get it to do it. It doesn't want to. Oh, there it is. So I don't know if you guys can see like this, but what happens is when I brush my hair, it gets like one of the curls always like lump up, and they don't lay like flat down against my head. So that's why I try to like make sure to just comb it so I can make sure all the curls are like kind of combed straight in the area that I'm going to be laying the hair down on. After you comb your roots out, what I like to do is I just like to take the hair tie and okay, so I like to put my hair in a bun, and then I just like to take my water. Like I said, if I did say, this has conditioner in it, nothing too special, just regular hair conditioner. You don't have to put that in there. That's just my preference. And I just like to spray around where I'm going to be working on. Then I just like to go back in with my comb. And I only like to comb the top and wet the top because most of the time if you wet like the hair that's in the bun, it will be so heavy because it's wet and it won't like stay up and form the way you want it to. So I just would try to work mainly on this part of your hair. And then you want to take whatever you want to put in your hair. Usually I put this stuff in my hair, but because I'm not going nowhere, I'm not going to waste it. So I'm just going to put some plain old coconut oil. And the only reason I put it in a bun was just so that I can like mainly work with the hairs that's going to be showing. Because this is going to give you like a mold of what hair is actually going to be in the bun. Okay. And once you do that, you want to take your hard brush. There's a fly in here with me. Usually what I do is I bend down and like let my hair hang so that it can like all fall to the front. This way, like your hair like this. So the first way is just to take your hair and let it like pineapple. So now you just want to make your hair like really, really fluffy. Because when your hair is like fluffy, it just looks bigger. So you do one like that, and then you just hair tie it up. But I don't like it like that. I like my bun like huge, so you could do that. And then the first way is to like put the hair up the way you want it. So my hair right here is shorter, so I kind of just ignore this hair and bobby pin that one first. And then mold the rest of your hair the way you want it. So just like kind of play with it. It's gonna take like a little while, but it shouldn't take that long. So that's why I said you want to make sure that like your rubber bands are black, because if they're not black, you're gonna see them. If they're black, you can kind of like make it look like you don't got rubber bands in them. But yeah. So then another one, you just want to take your hair and like scruff it up. And take the edges of your hair and like ravel it around the hair tie. And then take your bobby pins and bobby pin around the end. You would just like keep putting bobby pins until everything is secure. So you see how that's there? I don't like that. So I would take that and like wrap it in. And then again, wrap it in. And you basically just keep bobby pinning until all the parts of your hair that you want in are in. I hope it looks good on the back, because that's going to be embarrassing if it doesn't. But there's one. I kind of pulled out some of my hair, so I'm just rebrushing it up. It's not even to pull like the whole hair out the loop. This is the way I do it, and leave the end in and then fluff it. Fluff it up the way you want it. And then you can just do it like that. And then if you don't have a bobby pin, you can always just take your black hair tie. Like I said, we're gonna pretend it's black and just strap it over. And then play with your bun until you can get it the way you like it. So when I'm doing my hair, I always lean towards this side, and then my bun is always crooked. See how it's not like in the middle? I have to stop doing that. I just don't know how. I think I lean towards this hand because I'm like doing stuff. But yeah, so that was another way. Is to basically do the same thing where you don't pull it all the way through, but instead of like bringing it to the front, you leave it to the back like that, and you pull it, and then you just like kind of fan it out, and then you take the hair that's back here, divide it in half, and then pull it in front to cover your hair tie. So the last two that I just showed you are my go-tos, just because they're so easy. Just boom, boom, boom. So that's basically the same one. So then my last one, it would be better to have all black of these, or at least a dark color, but I don't. So what you do is you take these and you wrap them around. Or like I said, you could just have a sock and cut off like a long ankle sock, cut off that, and just cut off like the foot part and just roll it up. But yeah, so after you put all those on, you take the hair and then you divide it like evenly around, and then you put your black hair tie. You put your black hair tie like that. And then you can just, I'm pretty sure everyone knows about this one. And you could pull the hairs. And then you wrap the other ones around. Just make it a little neater. So there's another one. And then of course, like if you want to, you can like kind of take some hairs out of each of these buns and like let them kind of like dangle over. I wouldn't, but I've seen people do it. And they're cute with like the messy type bun. But the bun I just did is kind of like more of a, like not a classy bun, but like a look good bun. And then you get your toothbrush, and when you have your bun in, and you just lay those edges down, however you lay them down. I want to learn how to do the one where they like put them down and then they like part it and then they like put the other one down. You know what I'm talking about. I don't know how to do that. But yeah. So, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yeah. This video was like kind of all over the place. I'm sorry. But it's raining outside, so I was like, let me do a quick video. What can I do that's quick? So I was like, let me see if I can put my hair in buns. And of course, my hair was like not messing with me. Like, whenever I don't want to go somewhere and I do my hair is like perfect. But when I need it to be perfect, it's like, no. But anyway, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.